Hi everyone, welcome to day 9 of our 30-day SEO course here at Knowledge Hub. Today's session is all about something fundamental but often overlooked, the heading structure of a web page from H1 to H6. If you are wondering what role headings play in SEO, you are in for some real insights. Think of headings as the backbone of your content layout. They help both users and search engines understand the hierarchy and structure of your information. So let's dive deep into how to organize your content using H1 to H6 tags and why getting this right is crucial for SEO success. So why SEO headings structure matters. So first, headings help organize your content in a way that's easy for both users and search engines to understand. Think of them as a signpost that guide your reader through your page. Secondly, they signal the importance of different topics to crawlers like Googlebot. An H1 tag tells the search engine, hey, this is the main topic of the web page, while H2s and H3s break the topic into subtopics and sections. So, thirdly, a proper heading structure enhances readability and accessibility. It's especially for people using screen readers. It makes the content more digestible and user friendly. So, and finally, it directly contributes to SEO best practices. A well structured page with the clear headings is more likely to rank better because it helps search engines understand your page faster. So now that we know the why heading structure is important, let's move on to what are headings. So let's break down what heading actually are from H1 to H6. So H1, the H1 tag is your main heading. Each and every page has only one H1 tag but multiple H2s. It's the title or the primary topic of your web page. As I mentioned, every page should have just one H1 and it should clearly describe what the page is about. Next, H2. We have H2 tags. These are subheadings that fall under the H1. If H1 is your chapter title, H2s are like sections titles within the chapter. Then H3. Uh, these are used for subsections under H2. H2 we are going to use these H3s. These are the subsections. So if your H2 is a section, the H3 would be the topic discussed within that section. Okay. Now H4 to H6 are rarely used, but they still matter when your content is deeply structured. These are the deeper uh, sublevels helping you organize the complex content. Okay, and technically all of these are written in HTML using tags like h1 h2 and so on up to h6. Search engines use these tags to understand how your content is organized. To make you understanding better, just in short, headings help you create a hierarchy from broad to specific. When done right, they improve SEO and user experience at the same time. Okay, this is about what are heading tags. Let's move to best practices for SEO friendly headings. What are the practices we should follow while writing header tags? Okay, first, always use only one H1 per page. We should have only one H1. This helps search engines understand the primary topic that page clearly. Multiple H1s can create confusion for both users and the crawlers also. So second, follow a logical hierarchy. That means don't jump from H1 directly to an H4. Always go step by step. H1, then H2, then H3 and so on. This keeps your content structured and easy to follow. Third one, make sure to include your target keywords naturally in headings. This boosts SEO without sounding forced. For example, instead of writing amazing tips, try SEO tips for beginners. Okay. And fourth one, Avoid keyword stuffing or redundancy. Don't repeat the same phrase again and again. It doesn't help rankings and it turns off your readers. And finally, a great test is your heading should make sense even if someone doesn't read the body content. Think of them as the outline of your web page. If your reader just skims the headings, they should still understand the core message. So by following all these practices, helps you improve crawlability, user engagement, and SEO performance, all with just your heading structure only. Okay. So this is the sample heading structure by following all the practices which I have mentioned. So if you see here, at the top we have our H1, the ultimate guide SEO. This is the main title of the page. And remember, it's used only once per page, as I mentioned in previous slide. Then we break the content into major sections with H2s. Here, if you see what is SEO, is an H2 because it introduces a primary section under the guide. Okay, under what we add more detail using H3 like why SEO matters, which explains a specific point under H2. Next, another H2 kicks off the next main section, on-page SEO techniques, followed by H3 such as title tags and meta descriptions. Finally, we end with another H2 section here, off-page SEO techniques, which could include further H3s like backlinks, social signals, and so on. This kind of structure not only improves SEO but also creates a better reading experience for users. It's like giving your readers a clear roadmap of your content. Okay, this is the structure which I have created just for understanding purpose. This is the sample structure, so you can uh, try in this way. Okay, next, see, let's say how to review a page's heading structure, a crucial step in SEO auditing. While doing auditing, so this is the very important step. First, you can use your browser's built-in developer tools. Just right click and choose inspect element. I will show you how to see this. So this lets you see the actual HTML tags used for each heading like H1, H2, H3. Just we'll see one. This is the page. Just assume this is the one web page. So here you can able to see the content. Okay. Here you can able to see the content. So if you want to see the H1 tags, just do Control U or else inspect. Any one you can do like this, inspect. You can click on the inspect and then you can see here, or else if it is making confusion, then you can do Control U. It will take you to the source code of the web page. So here you can see the H1 tags and H2 tags. See here, H1 is how search engine works, a complete guide. This is the H1, how search engine works complete guide. This is the H1 tag. So, and if you see, it has multiple H2s. If you see, right, 22 H2s are there, and H3, so around 50 H3s are there, and H4, H6, H4 also there. So this is how you can able to see the header tags. Okay, this manually you can see. Just let's go back to our PPT. So second level, and this is the first one which I have shown you. And second one is we can use the any one of the audit tool like Screaming Frog. This Screaming Frog great for crawling website and the identifying heading issues. And Ahrefs and SEMrush both offer content audits that flag heading problems if we have any multiple H1 tags, or if we have heading structure is not good. These tools also will flag that issue. And SEOquake handy browser extension. This is the extension that quickly shows on-page SEO details. Okay, these all are the paid tools. So I will show you later in our later sessions. So I will pick any one of the site. I have one website, knowledgehub.com. So with the help of that, I will show you how to download the Screaming Frog and how to run the crawl, uh, and how to find out the header tag issues in our later sessions. Even same for Ahrefs and SEMrush also, because we need paid version. So right now I don't have paid version, so I will take one paid version for this SEO tutorial purpose. I will show you guys later sessions. Okay, finally, always check if the heading structure follows a clean hierarchy. Make sure there's only one H1 and that lower headings next properly under higher ones. Skipping heading levels or using them out of order can confuse both users and search engines. So reviewing header structure is simple but very powerful for boosting your SEO health. Okay, so next, what are the common heading structure issues? Let's say you have the client website with you, so they have multiple pages, 10,000 pages or whatever it is. So if you want to do the audit for the heading structures issues, so if you know these common issues, then it will be easy to look into the web pages where and all the issues occur. So for that reason, uh, so first, these are some of the common issues which occur. I have mentioned here. First one is multiple H1s. Each page should have only one H1 tag. Multiple H1 confuses search engines about the main topic of the page. Second one, skipping heading levels. Example, jumping from an H1 directly to an H3 without an H2. In between breaks the logical flow. Always follow a sequential hierarchy. Okay, overuse of headings. Next one, not every line needs a heading. Overusing them makes the content hard to read and dilutes their SEO value. And next one, using headings only for styling. Headings should communicate structure and meaning, not just because be used to change font size or color. Use CSS for design and keep headings for actual content hierarchy. Okay, and last one is keyword stuffing. Cramming too many keywords into headings makes them look unnatural, so it can harm your rankings and ton of readers. So don't use too many keywords in the title or sorry, in the headers. Okay, just to make you understand, in short, use headings thoughtfully. They should guide the readers and signals to search engines what your content is all about. Okay, these are the some of the common heading structures, so issues. So you can before doing audit, you can go through this, and then it will really help you to find out the issues easily. And that's it for today. So now let's put what we have learned into action with today's task. Okay, first choose one blog post or page from your website. I have mentioned you earlier, so I asked you guys to create a web blogspot.com or wordpress.com by using any one of the platform. Create one web page. If you guys, hope you guys are created. If not created, just create one by following my previous day 6 and day 5 videos. Okay, if you guys have any doubts, please comment in the YouTube section, so that I will help you guys to create one. So then use browser tools which I shown you manually, or else some of the audit tools. I will show you one audit tool which will help you. So use that to find out the issues. Finally, fix any SEO or hierarchy issues you find. That might mean changing headings, merging unnecessary ones, or correcting skip levels. This hands-on practice will help reinforce the importance of heading structure and make your content more SEO friendly and user friendly at the same time. So just I will show you one. So let's say this is the my page. So what you can do, which I have mentioned earlier, you can do by doing the control U. So by going to the source code, you can see like this. Okay, or else use one tool. This tool I'm going to mention here. Okay, in the description also I will mention this. So if you have only one or two pages, then you can use this tool. um what seconds just come, just verify. So here if you see, I have added that for analysis purpose. This is the AI SEO.com SEO analyzer. So for this particular URL, so we got score around 79 by 100. It is excellent, good only. If any issues are occur, just we will see here. If any header tag issues, we will see here. Here if you see h2 tags were found on the page, this is there is no issue with this. But if you see here, 3 h1 tags were found. As we seen, each and every page has only one h1 tag. Okay, so we'll see. Here you can able to see what are the h1 tags which are there in that particular web page. So total 3 h1 tags are there. So this is against rules. So what we should do, we should correct it. H1 tag. So if you see here, the 3 h1 tags as we seen in the tool. One h1 is there here, then one more h1 introduction, how search engine works, and one more h1 categories. So what we have to do, we have to correct them. How to do that? By going to the that website. So I will show you how to edit it in the WordPress. So if you are using any other platforms like Blogspot, it is very easy. Just directly you can go to the source code in the Blogspot and you can edit that HTML. So if you guys have any issues, if you need more details like how to edit these h1 tags in the Blogspot, just please comment in the comment section so that uh, I will help you. So this is the web page. So just I have logged into the WordPress. So I'm going to click on edit post. I have clicked on it. So here this is one h1 and this is one more h1. So now what I'm going to do is, you can able to see, right? So I'm going to edit this h1 to, I'm changing this h1 to h2. Okay, this is the h1 anyway, so I'm going to keep this as it is. Okay, once it's done, then I'm going to save the changes. I'm going to click on the save. So changes are saved. Once after saved, need to check whether it is changed or not. So again, how we are going to do that? Just I'm going to do that by going to the source code. I will go to the source code and I will check over there. by just Control F, do the Control F and H1. Now if you see, earlier it was 3, now it is only 2. One is this one, how search engine works, and one more is this categories. So this categories also I will go there and I will change this H1 to something H2 or H3. Okay, so this is how you can able to resolve the issues which you find. Okay, let's go back to our presentation. So this is the way you should follow. You should find out the issues and you should resolve them. Okay, still if you guys have any issues, you can comment on the YouTube section, so I will help you guys. Okay, you guys also pick any one blog post or web page which you have, so you check with the help of that tool, free tools, or else go to directly to the source code and check where the issues are there in the header tags. Okay, just to give you a recap, uh, headings are not just for design, they act as a clear outline for both users and search engines. A well-structured heading hierarchy helps people read easily and helps Google understand your content. A clean heading structure improves crawlability and indexing, which means better SEO performance. Um, okay, and tomorrow we are going to see. Sorry, this is the SEO guide which which I'm telling you in each and every video. Anyway, I'm going to put this PDF link in the description. You can download from there. Tomorrow we are going to see internal linking. This is the main topic. So we are going to see this topic tomorrow. What is internal linking? How it will help for improving our SEO rankings. Okay, how to do this internal linking by with the help of WordPress in WordPress. So I will show you practically. Okay, tomorrow we will see this. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you like my videos, and leave the comment if you have any doubts. Okay, thank you for watching my video. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.